Danke bafethu. Breaking news, i-Chiefs idlala ne-Manchester United-ke namhlanje abafana be-DDC team laphana e-England ku-academy yayo i-Manchester United. I-starting lineup lesi bafethu esigude kakhulu. Siyabazi ukuthi abafana bayaperforma. So yiso sonke starting 11. I'm interesting to see uTimba obvious ukuthi uzoperforma kanjani since anama-links vele laphana e-Europe. uTaunyana umfana laphana oshayo number 23 bekhulume kahle ukuthi bafuna ukulwa and then bafuna ukufightha for i-country ne-Kaizer Chiefs ne-brand as a whole bayazi ukuthi badlalela i-team enkulu. uPhago sesike sambona bafethu siyazi ukuthi ugood. Siyazi ukuthi ulona bafethu u-captain yabo uThulani Touch Mabaso uyaplayela good kakhulu. Sithemba ukuthi abafana bazoba notice nalaphana eNgilandi. Ozomena uyaqala igame. Siyazi ukuthi laphana ku-DDC team isikhathi esiningi akaqali. I think boma 4-5 games engiwabonile angaqala Ozomena only ungena second half, even nalashaya khona 2 goals ungene second half. And then khona umfana laphana bafethu ogood naye wadlala left back uNkwesa. Siyazi ukuthi last season wawina ama-award amaningi laphana ku-personal level and watravela ne-team ukuya laphana e-Netherlands. So abafana laba babhekwe close because of abanye bane-first team contract. And then uMalifu ngiqala ukumdiscover bafethu I think few weeks back ukuthi ugood kangakanani. uHlongwane naye khona laphana ku-first team, uHendricks naye ukhona laphana phambili esinokumbona ethatha ama-shot. So yeah, i-first starting 11 noma i-lineup ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Siyazi nangumukwena ugoalkeeper onokujima laphana ne-first team bafethu usebhenchini. And then uMakhubo odlala i-right wing if angilenzi iphutha. uMakhubo exciting, une-speed, une-flair, une-skill. Yeah, yili player leli bafethu eli-good kakhulu. Then uMbuthu ngeke ngambona badlala i-friendly laphana ne-senior team. So ama-player abawabheke close ukuthi bazoba promote angasikudala bayi-next generation. And then uMkwawana bafethu if uMkwawana bampromotha lo muntu lo, I think it was a year back, 2 years bake bampromotha laphana ku-senior team. I don't know what happened. And then or noma bamnika i-senior contract nje kuphela because ku-first team sebaze bamrejistile as i-Chiefs bona. Ngazi ukuthi kwenzakalani because of ulo ngathi oke waba good for under 17, then I don't know what went wrong. Ngoba ibhola-ke bafethu unpredictable. But yeah, yiso i-starting lineup lesi Chiefs bafethu enisibonayo, abanye ngingabashongo. So yeah, niyababona laphana ku-starting 11, niyababona futhi nabanye abasebhenchini. Captain Thulani Touch Mabaso sithemba ukuthi uzoba leader to greater heights. Ozomena is not afraid to take players on. Siyazi uNkwesa uku-overlapper ngaze kuyoba iscore siyohamba kanjani bafethu cause i-UK ibhola lakhona linzima futhi ukudlala one of the biggest academies in world football, Man United. Hayi kaze bawuthola ngakho abafana be-Chiefs noma bazokwazi ukusurprise i-Manchester. So ke sibone because of ama-under 21 njengoba ne-Chiefs i-travele nama-under 21. So if you are over 21 bengeke utravele. Do they have what it take to shock United? So bona danko bafethu yaqala i-match manje ngasikudala.